Welcome to the Environmental Awareness Experiment. We asked several individuals, do you think you are doing your part to help the environment?
Yes.
Yes, I am.
Yes.
Of course, I'm doing my part to help the environment.
Yes.
I have to say, I'm not doing enough, I would say. No, definitely no.
I think so.
Then we asked them, what are they truly doing that is helping the environment?
वैसे डे टू डे लाइफ में बहुत कुछ करते हैं पर अभी याद नहीं है.
Whenever I go for shopping, we carry our own bags, cloth bags to be precise.
I avoid using plastic.
प्लास्टिक कम यूज करना चाहिए.
Avoid using plastic.
I prefer public transport.
I avoid plastic. I don't think I'm doing enough.
We all believe that we are doing our part to help the environment. But when asked about specific actions, we realize we are just taking the most convenient steps to pacify our own conscience. It is no longer enough to not be a part of the problem. We all need to become an active part of the solution to make a difference. Take action, be the change, every step counts.